children, welcome to Aksha the Public School, Vijaypur, Grade 6, Computer Digital Learning Platform. I am Sneha Hiramut, your computer teacher. Today I am going to introduce Chapter 1, Computational Thinking. Children, be ready with your computer textbook, worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let's understand learning outcomes. We are learning to know and understand importance of computational thinking, and we are learning to describe the components of computational thinking. Children, let us begin our topic, computational thinking. Computational thinking is a thought process that teaches us how to solve complex real-world problems in such a way that a human or a computer can effectively carry this out. Children, it is a fundamental skill for everyone, not just for computer scientists. It involves solving problems by following the concepts necessary for computer science, which includes logical reasoning, devising step-by-step solutions, and designing systems. Children, hope you understood this topic. Let us move to components of computational thinking. There are 5 components. They are analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm design. Let us understand these 5 in detail. Analysis. Analysis is the process of understanding the problem and conditions and defining the goals. Children, in this stage of computational thinking, we are defining the goals and understanding the problem and conditions of the problem. Decomposition. Breaking down a large problem into smaller parts which are easier to understand is called decomposition. The smaller parts can be examined closely and solved individually. Children, decomposition. Break the problem down into smaller pieces so that we can solve the problem easily and quickly. Pattern recognition. Observing patterns, trends and similarities in data is known as pattern recognition. When you discover patterns, it becomes easier to make predictions and create rules to solve other problems. Children, hope you understood this topic also. Abstraction. Abstraction is the process of filtering out details or components of the problem to focus on the relevant ones. Children, in this stage of computational thinking, we are focusing on what is important and ignoring what is unnecessary. Let's move to algorithm design. It is the process of developing a list of steps that we can follow to finish the task. Children, writing a step-by-step set of instructions to solve the problem is called algorithm design. Hope you understood these all 5 components. Let us solve one activity based on these topics. 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. 1. Computational thinking is a dash process that teaches us how to solve complex real-world problems. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, you are right. It is thought process. The remaining questions I will read for your reference. 2. There are dash key components of a computational thinking. 3. Dash is the process of understanding problem and condition and defining the goal. 4. Trends and similarities in the data is known as dash. Children, you will do these remaining questions on your own. It is time to end our session. Home play. Read about computational thinking and draw a neat mind map on the components of computational thinking in your computer notebook. Children, hope you understood today's topic. Thank you. Bye children.